Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kani cream Korokke. Kani means crab, cream is cream, and Korokke is croquette. So it's like crab cake in white sauce put it together. It can't be bad, right? At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Kani cream Korokke, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 400 ml milk, 40 gram butter, 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 chicken cubes, half a cup all-purpose flour, some panko breadcrumb, crab sticks, it's about 200 gram, 1 onion, and some salt and pepper. Let's make the white sauce first. 40 gram butter in a large bowl that you can microwave. 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour. And microwave this to melt the butter. I did 1 minute at 600 watt. Give it a nice mix. So that it's nice and shiny. I'm adding 400 ml milk little by little as I mix it. Add 2 chicken cubes and microwave. I did 4 minutes at 600 watt. Let's mix it well. It's getting thicker, but it's not there yet, so let's do another few minutes. I did 3 minutes this time and it's almost there, but a few more minutes. I did 2 minutes and it's thick and smooth. I can draw a line. So the white sauce is ready. Let's cover it with plastic film and put it aside. Now let's chop the onion. You can use knife or food processor, either way you like. Cut the top off. Peel. Cut it in half. Make some slit here. Like this, and then chop. Same for the other half. Let's saute the onion. So a little bit of vegetable oil in the frying pan. Put the onion. Just saute it until onion is clear. Make sure you don't burn it. Looks good, so let's turn the heat off. Let's add the sauteed onion into the white sauce. And crab sticks as you tear it into small pieces. And mix it well so everything is well cooperated. Prepare a tray covered with plastic film. And let's put the mixture. Make it flat. And cover it with another plastic film. Cool it down to room temperature and then at least 3 hours in the fridge. It's been in the fridge for 3 hours. completely chilled, nice and firm, so it's easy to handle and break. Take it out on the cutting board. Remove the plastic film. I'm making 8 korokke, so let's cut it into 8. Now I'm making batter. So here I have about half a cup flour, so let's add same amount of water. Give it a quick mix. Put this in the batter. Then panko breadcrumb. Back on the cutting board. All done, so it's time to fry them. I'm heating up some vegetable oil, canola to be specific, over medium heat. Let's check the temperature. Put the chopstick into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming out from the chopstick, that means this is perfect temperature. Let's put the panko one last time to make sure it's all covered. And put it into the oil gently. Fry them about 2 minutes on each side. This one looks good, so let's take it out. All fried, so let's serve it. Some shredded cabbage as a pillow. 2 korokke per person. Kani cream korokke is ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can of course have it with some sauce, but I want to enjoy the milkiness of the white sauce. So I usually don't put any sauce when I have cream korokke or cream croquette. Itadakimasu. Panko is super crispy and gives nice contrast with the creaminess inside. Yum! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Kani cream korokke is the main dish, so it goes here. I want to have a little more protein, so let's have egg miso soup. Plain rice here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickle, so let's put it here. I'm sorry, I don't have video for this one yet. For the other side dish, how about tuna lettuce salad? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!